Yeah, beautiful in 6.
I knew I always wanted to do something in the healthcare field, but it was actually shadowing at this office where I kind of fell in love with dentistry. I've done a lot of surgical extractions here. At the school, I didn't really quite feel like I had the confidence to try to tackle those. Here, I've gotten so much practice with it. I feel a lot better, and it's just something I've actually started to enjoy. I didn't necessarily like extractions before, but I feel a lot more confident in my ability.
The student is benefiting greatly from the experience, but also the community in which they're working is as well. You know, you're serving people potentially that are a little underserved in communities that don't have access to certain things, and being able to do things that they may not be able to have done in a regular situation.
I can look in somebody's mouth and tell where they went to school, I think. He'll end up doing anything he wants to do. We're going to teach him how to do implants and do surgery and stuff that he couldn't get in school. He'll become a good dentist because he likes doing it, and he's a local boy, and he's got lots of patience.
I love the fact that we're able to change people's smiles. You get to make it look natural. You can be creative, take the extra time, take the extra steps. There's so much you can do. You get to meet a whole bunch of patients, and you get to change their lives. It's absolutely worth it.